So you might be in a situation where for some reason the back button on your AirPods case aren't working at all. So if you go and take a look at the back side of your AirPods case, you can see that there's this button right here. Now, the big thing to keep in mind is that some of the newest AirPods actually do not have a button back there. So if you're going to go through and use this back button, keep in mind that some of the newest AirPods, like the AirPods 4s, do not have any sort of back button. So you're going to have to tap at the front, so keep that in mind. Now, another thing you might want to do is you want to make sure that this button on the back isn't damaged. Sometimes this button might be damaged, or it might be like having sticky stuff over it or like residue on it. So try grabbing like a napkin of some sort or something like that, and try cleaning out the back side of this particular AirPods case. For a lot of people, that might be all you're going to have to do there, and that's exactly what I recommend doing in this particular situation as well. So try doing that, and that might end up fixing it for you. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, another thing you might want to try doing is to go through and essentially try seeing if you can restart your AirPods. Now, you can do this by basically going through, taking your AirPods out of the case like this, putting your AirPods back in the case like this, I know that sounds crazy, and then going through and essentially making sure that your AirPods are charged up for at least 10 minutes. Then when your AirPods are inside, hold down this back button for 15 to 20 seconds. Now after that, the light on the front should end up flashing, and you might be in a situation where that might end up fixing it for you. Now if that is still not working, you might want to go through and see if you can try using a different charging cable to charge up your AirPods. That could be a way to go and fix it. Or you can try going through and seeing if you can update your AirPods by literally just connecting your AirPods to your iPhone or Android, and then seeing, or your iPhone or iPad, and try seeing if you can update your AirPods that way. But if your AirPods are not showing any light, it might be because they're just dead, and you might want to try a different charging cable or try wirelessly charging your AirPods. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.